Creamy almond butter banana smoothie recipe. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy way to start your day? Look no further than the creamy almond butter banana bliss smoothie. This delightful concoction is not only packed with nutrients, but it also tastes like a dessert. So blend up a batch and get ready to be transported to smoothie heaven. To make this mouth-watering smoothie, you will need a few simple ingredients. Gather 2 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a handful of ice cubes. Now that you have everything ready, let's dive into the recipe. Start by peeling the bananas and breaking them into chunks. This step is important as it will make it easier for your blender to blend the bananas smoothly. Next, add the almond butter, almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract to the blender. These ingredients not only provide a creamy texture, but also add a hint of sweetness and a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with the bananas. Once you have all the ingredients in the blender, it's time to give it a good whirl. Blend everything together on high until the mixture is smooth and creamy. If you like a thicker smoothie, you can add more ice cubes and blend again until the desired consistency is reached. If you prefer a thinner smoothie, you can add a little more almond milk or water until you achieve the desired consistency. Now that your creamy almond butter banana bliss smoothie is ready, it's time to savor the flavors. Pour the smoothie into a glass, and for an extra touch, you can drizzle a little almond butter on top. This will not only make your smoothie look beautiful, but will also add an additional burst of nutty richness. One sip of this smoothie and you'll be hooked. The creaminess of the almond butter combined with the sweetness of the ripe bananas creates a divine flavor that will keep you coming back for more. The almond milk adds a light and silky texture, making each sip feel like a little indulgence. And let's not forget about the honey and vanilla extract, which provide that touch of sweetness and depth of flavor. Besides being delicious, this smoothie is also incredibly nutritious. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure and heart function. They are also packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. Almonds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E, making them a fantastic addition for anyone seeking to boost their overall health. Additionally, almond butter provides a good amount of magnesium, iron, and calcium, which are essential for strong bones and muscles. So, not only does the creamy almond butter banana bliss smoothie taste like a heavenly treat, but it also nourishes your body with essential nutrients. It's the perfect option for breakfast on the go, a post-workout refuel, or a midday pick-me-up. With its luscious texture and delightful flavors, this smoothie is sure to become a staple in your daily routine. In conclusion, the creamy almond butter banana bliss smoothie recipe is a delightful and healthy way to start your day. Its combination of ripe bananas, almond butter, almond milk, honey, and vanilla extract provides a burst of flavor that will leave you wanting more. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast or just looking for a delicious way to incorporate more nutrients into your diet, this recipe is a winner. Plus, it's quick and easy to make, so you can whip up a batch in no time.